Hi, this is Jennifer with Hip Belly Dancer, and in today's video I want to show you how to do a one-sided hip drop with a level change. And this is something that looks really cool when you do it in a circle. So I'm going to break this down and show you how to do it. So basically you want to get your hip drop going. So basic hip drop is just down, 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 down. So you're contracting in your obliques. Keep your chest really lifted, so you don't want much of your upper body to move. So you're going down, 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 down. Then we're gonna do a level change. So you're going to drop down, up, down, up. So basically my standing leg goes from a flat foot to a ball. So I'm flat, ball, flat, ball. Flat, ball, and flat, ball, flat, ball, flat, ball, flat, ball. So you can see the only difference is I'm keeping this down hip, but I'm going from flat, ball, flat, ball, flat, ball, flat, ball, flat, ball, flat, ball. And this move looks really good when you do it in a bigger radius of a circle. So not just in place, but in a bigger circle like this. So it goes and then let's try the other side. So first getting the drop, 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 and level change, level change, level change. So it looks like you're doing something a lot more than you actually are, and it looks really dynamic. So practice that. And you can do different things with your arms, but try that. That's a one-sided hip drop, level change in a circle. Thanks for watching.